An assistant city attorney in Provo wants to lower the penalty for their lookout law. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 5. I'm Heidi Hatch.
And I'm Brian Schnee. That's the basic law in city code that tells drivers they have to keep a proper lookout for traffic, fixtures, and objects.
Natalie Wada spoke with drivers in Provo about this. So Natalie, why the potential change?
Well, right now the default law for that penalty is a Class B misdemeanor, and that's on par with a first-time DUI conviction. What do you think about them kind of changing the penalty?
Yeah, I do agree that a misdemeanor is a little bit high because things happen. You never know. There are blind spots for a reason. So, I mean, if it was changed down to something a little bit lower, that would probably be more beneficial because accidents happen.
Provo Assistant City Attorney Matthew Griffiths is proposing clarifying that the charge for failing to keep a proper lookout would be an infraction, no longer defaulting to a Class B misdemeanor, saying this would be more fair. I asked him via email, why are you proposing this change and why now? Was there an incident that spurred this on? It says police have been using this law as a sort of catch-all. What has this looked like? Griffiths responded, saying the goal is to align this ordinance with similar state traffic laws after a routine review of city ordinances. What are your thoughts about it?
I think it could be very beneficial, especially if police are using this catch-all to classify anything that falls into this category. If it's a straight-up misdemeanor, that's a pretty big offense for something that he wasn't sure to classify.
I reached out to the Provo Police Department about this, but was referred back to the city's legal department.
I mean, I could see it having an opposite effect where if it is the other driver's fault, like where it's not as high, people might not be as cautious on the road, but I doubt that that's probably going to happen, but there is always that risk.
At the moment, this is scheduled to be discussed at tomorrow's City Council meeting. We'll let you know what happens. Live in Provo, Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.